Hi guys, we're back. I'm back with another mukbang. Carne Asada fries. Yum. Salsa. Flour tortilla. Carne Asada fries, so it's French fries. Carne Asada. Cheese, guacamole, sour cream. American guacamole. So good. Mmm. I'm in my daughter's room. Mermaid room. Devery is still in Oregon. She'll be back, I think, the day after Easter. So. And then I'll be gone next weekend for Stagecoach. Yep. Like my shirt? Sriracha. The salsa is so good. Best salsa ever. So this is what you do. You get flour tortilla on the side. And these monster, giant carne asada fries. And then you make your own burritos. I ate these on our Instagram live one day. So good. Oh my god. It's so hot. And it's so good. Sorry if you hear noise. My kids here live here too. And then just water. Water to drink. Oh. Oh. A lot better setting than my last video. I don't have to worry about people coming up and asking for food. I'm interested to see how loud the background noise is with the kids in the house. If you can hear that, it's Dylan. Giant flour tortillas. Mexican shop, taco shop tortillas are the best because they use lard. Can't buy these in the regular grocery store. No way. Maybe you can, but it's not like the Mission tortillas. If we ever moved from like Southern California, I don't know what I would do without Mexican food. I'd be a sad, sad girl. And my husband loves burritos. Surf and turf burrito. So good. What are you guys up to? What are you eating? What are you doing? Nothing much. My oldest is on spring break now. Easter's on Sunday. Then it's get ready for Stagecoach all week. last minute grocery shopping for the kids and for us to take up there. Which I think we're going to keep it light. It's going to be like 100 degrees up there. And that's hot, sitting in the sun all day. So we'll probably eat like salads or wraps, sandwiches, veggies, if we're even hungry. You know, when it's hot and you just have no appetite and you're drinking all day. Well, keep it light, or snacks, chips and dip, veggie trays. And all the beer. I'm excited. It's gonna be nice. I'll be away from the kids for 3 days, 3.5 days. Not a long time. That's the longest I've ever been away. Since all three have been born. So we'll see how that goes. Staying with their grandma and grandpa. Their Nana and Papa. Check her room. Mermaid. Purple walls. Her room is the first room to be done in our house. Spoiled brat. I want my own room. I want to share with my husband. Oh, this is hot. And it's kind of hot in here too. Stuffy. Can't have a fan on. Be loud. Look at these. And they use seasoned fries for their carne asada fries. Not just regular old unseasoned fries. Nope. Seasoned fries. Ooh. Drop that on the floor. Oh, yeah. Boop. Bloop, bloop, bloop. No way I'm eating all this. Sorry, guys. No. It didn't look like I put a dent in it. What do you guys want to watch Deb eat when she does it alone? Or with her kids? This is what was for dinner, so I decided to film it. Why not? I think she should do like, she better not do sushi. She better not do no chicken wings. I don't know. Hard to think about food while you're eating food. See my burn scar? Burned it on the oven. Oh. I have a throat fart. Fun fact about this video. I'm not wearing any pants right now. Nope. I think I like this at home mukbangs. I get to eat with no pants on. That's like the ultimate thing. You can eat more, just really comfy. Yeah. It's good. The salsa and chill on it. Look at this bite. I want to show you, but I don't want it to fall. I'm already getting full. I'm weak. I need my sister. She needs to help me. That was the best bite. That was the best bite of this whole meal. Let me see. Ooh, yummy. Oh, maybe I have a burp. There's more. Makeup's all worn off. I don't care. I don't care. Because I'm eating this. I don't care. What should we talk about, guys? Or should I shut up and eat? I know what I'll talk about. Or who? What? I'm talking about my favorite mukbangers on YouTube, who I watch all the time. I watch B Loves Life, obviously. Nikocado Avocado. Sometimes, if I like what he's eating, I'll watch. But his videos are really long. I watch Sauce Queen. She's new and she's doing really good. She's already at 100,000 subscribers, I think. She's been doing it less than a year. That's crazy. I watch Lexi Babe, but she doesn't post that much, which is fine. But I like her. She seems cool. You know, these are my friends. My internet friends. But they're not even my friends. I just watch them. I watch Angelina Spicy. She has a lot of videos with her daughters. She's funny. Like, her sense of humor is funny. She has a lot of sushi videos. And spicy noodles. I watch Steph and Tasha, I think. They're good. Southern Snackers are good. Jenny Eats. She's good. I watch Peggy Neo. And that girl can eat. Kimi? She's Korean. I like her mukbang vlogs. Probably forgot a lot more, but I can't think of any. Good. Check them all out if you're not. I'm sure you already are, because if you're watching this, then you know them, obviously. I'm full. My husband got serving her fries. The boys are splitting roll tacos, but they call them circle tacos, with cheese and guacamole. And then Harper, little Miss Harper, just gets a cheese quesadilla. Yeah, and she picks out all the cheese and eats that first, and then eats the quesadilla. Alright. Let's make one more. I think that's gonna be it. Roll it up. Ooh. Salsa it up. Ooh. That's the hardest. When it tastes so good, but you're so full. Ugh. You just want to keep tasting it over and over again, but there's no room in your body. Oh, salsa. That's a good last bite. It's so good. You need to eat this. You need this in your mouth. You need this in your life. Go get it. Alright, guys. Comment, like, subscribe, share. Thanks for hanging out with me. Bye.
Bye-bye.